Hello, and welcome back to Pancreatic Cancer Warriors. I'm Dr. James. Today, we're tackling a question that many of you have asked. A question that sits at the very heart of the surgical journey for some patients. Can you live without a pancreas? The short answer is yes. It is absolutely possible to live without your pancreas. However, it's crucial to understand that this life involves a significant and permanent shift in your daily reality. This procedure, known as a total pancreatectomy, is a major undertaking, but for some, it is the most definitive step in the fight against pancreatic cancer. Living without a pancreas isn't a simple adjustment. It is a complete recalibration of your body's fundamental processes, requiring lifelong medical management and profound lifestyle changes. It's a path that demands commitment and resilience, but it is a viable path forward, and understanding what it entails is the first step in taking control of that future. The decision to proceed with a total pancreatectomy is never made lightly. It is a calculated measure, often reserved for cases where the cancer is widespread within the pancreas but has not yet metastasized to distant organs. The primary goal is curative to remove the entire organ and, with it, all the cancerous tissue. This aggressive approach aims to eliminate the source of the disease, offering a chance at a life free from cancer. While the prospect of removing an entire organ can be intimidating, it is essential to frame it not as a loss, but as a strategic trade-off. You are trading the diseased organ for the opportunity of a future. This new life will be different, yes, but it is a life that you can lead fully and meaningfully. The journey is complex, but it is a journey that many have successfully navigated, and with the right support and knowledge, you can too. When the pancreas is removed, two of its primary life-sustaining functions are eliminated, and this creates the two central challenges you will face. First, the pancreas is the body's sole producer of insulin, a hormone essential for regulating blood sugar. Without it, your body loses its natural ability to manage glucose, the fuel that powers every cell. Second, the pancreas produces a powerful cocktail of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are the unsung heroes of our digestive system, responsible for breaking down the fats, proteins, and carbohydrates in the food we eat, allowing our bodies to absorb the nutrients necessary for survival. The removal of the pancreas means these two critical functions cease entirely. This isn't a partial loss, it's a complete stop. Consequently, these functions must be replaced externally, through medication and diligent self-management, for the rest of your life. Understanding these two core challenges is foundational to preparing for life after a total pancreatectomy. It's not just about recovering from surgery. It's about learning to manually perform the tasks your pancreas once did automatically. This requires a new level of awareness and a proactive approach to your health every single day. The management of these two areas, blood sugar control and digestion, will become the new pillars of your daily routine, a constant but manageable rhythm that defines your new normal. The immediate and most significant consequence of losing your pancreas is the development of a unique and challenging form of diabetes, often referred to as pancreatogenic diabetes or brittle diabetes. This condition arises because your body can no longer produce any insulin at all. Unlike type 1 or type 2 diabetes, where there might be some residual insulin production or insulin resistance, a total pancreatectomy results in a complete and absolute insulin deficiency. This makes blood sugar levels extremely sensitive and prone to dramatic swings. Without insulin to act as the key that unlocks your cells, glucose from the food you eat remains trapped in your bloodstream, leading to dangerously high blood sugar levels, hyperglycemia. Conversely, administering too much insulin can cause a rapid and perilous drop in blood sugar, hypoglycemia. Managing this delicate balance requires meticulous and lifelong monitoring. You will need to check your blood glucose levels multiple times a day, often using a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, to get a real-time picture of your sugar trends. Based on these readings, your food intake, and your activity levels, you will need to administer insulin through injections or an insulin pump. This isn't a passive process. It is an active, moment-to-moment engagement with your body's needs. It requires discipline, education, and a constant dialogue with your endocrinologist to fine-tune your insulin regimen. Learning to count carbohydrates, understanding how different foods affect your glucose levels, and planning for physical activity will become second nature. It is a demanding reality, but with today's technology and a dedicated medical team, managing brittle diabetes is an achievable goal. The second major challenge of living without a pancreas is the complete loss of its digestive enzyme production. Your pancreas is a factory, churning out lipase to digest fats, protease to digest proteins, and amylase to digest carbohydrates. Without these enzymes, the food you consume cannot be broken down into absorbable nutrients. It passes through your digestive tract, largely undigested, leading to a condition known as exactrine pancreatic insufficiency, or EPI. The symptoms of untreated EPI are significant and debilitating. You would experience severe malabsorption, resulting in chronic diarrhea, abdominal cramping, bloating, and foul-smelling, oily stools. More critically, your body would be starved of essential nutrients, leading to rapid and unintentional weight loss, malnutrition, and deficiencies in fat-soluble vitamins like D, E, and K. The solution, however, is straightforward and effective: pancreatic enzyme replacement therapy, or PERT. This involves taking prescription capsules containing these vital enzymes with every single meal and snack. The key is consistency and proper dosage. These enzymes must be taken with the first few bites of food to ensure they mix with what you're re-eating and can go to work in your small intestine. The dosage is not one size fits all. It will be carefully calibrated by your doctor and dietitian based on the fat content of your meals and your individual response. Forgetting to take your enzymes or taking an insufficient dose will lead to a swift return of digestive symptoms. Therefore, managing your diet and your enzyme intake becomes an integral part of every eating experience. It's a new habit, like remembering to take any other essential medication, but it is the key that unlocks your ability to eat, digest, and thrive. Life without a pancreas is undeniably complex. It is a journey that redefines your relationship with your body and demands a level of discipline and awareness that becomes a new way of life. However, it is crucial to see this as a necessary trade-off, a conscious choice to exchange a diseased organ for the chance at a longer, cancer-free future. This path is not one you walk alone. It necessitates a strong, collaborative partnership with a multidisciplinary medical team, including your surgeon, an endocrinologist, a gastroenterologist, and a registered dietitian. They are your guides and your support system, helping you navigate the intricacies of insulin management and enzyme replacement. But the most important member of this team is you. Your commitment, your discipline, and your proactive engagement are the engines that will drive your success. While the daily tasks of monitoring blood sugar, administering insulin, and taking enzymes may seem daunting at first, they become a manageable routine over time. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the advancements of modern medicine that this is a viable path forward for so many warriors. It is a life that can be full, active, and rewarding. Thank you for joining me today at Pancreatic Cancer Warriors. Remember, knowledge is empowerment, and understanding the path ahead is the first step toward conquering it. I'm Dr. James, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.